Yes, we are back with another episode of Mukbang. So, what happened is we were at the supermarket and we saw this. This is the Samyang Buldak Topokki. Alright, so what happens is that we know tteokbokki is the Korean rice cakes, but right now what happened is that Samyang already came out with the tteokbokki flavor, and today we are gonna give this a try. Alright, let's see how spicy it is, how tteokbokki like it is. Okay, and what I'm gonna do today is that I'm gonna have 3 packets of this. Alright, and then we will fill our tummy with something spicy and warm. Alright. There we go. We have got our 3 packets of Samyang Topokki spicy ramen. Okay, so the difference is that when you are eating the usual Samyang noodle, what happens? You get that seaweed stuff on top. Alright, but this one here is different. It looks like spring onion. You've got dried spring onion, and there's this small little abalone kind of stuff that looks like that, which I think is very interesting. Okay, so let's not talk too much. Let's start stuffing our face with this. Alright, ready? I'm so excited because this is like so new. Oh, okay, it looks so dry. Why? Simply because we took some time to take the B-roll to prepare everything. Alright, so here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, first mouth, the most obvious thing is that you don't get that usual kick, the spiciness from a Samyang, but okay, slowly it's starting to come in. Yes, it is still there. It is still there. Okay. Right, it says there on the packet that the noodle is a bit more springy, a bit more chewy. It's supposed to be emulating the texture of a tteokbokki, and in fact, yes, it is a bit more springy, the noodle, compared to the usual Samyang noodle that you have. All right, it's a bit more, that kind of like that springiness, the chewiness of a rice cake, of the tteokbokki. But frankly, in terms of taste, all right, we know tteokbokki has got that sourness tinge to it, and then you've got the spiciness of the chili. But in this case, okay, it's spicy lah, but not extremely. All right, it's good. Let's try the abalone stuff. Chewy, all right. Nice texture to it. Okay. Does it taste like the original? No lah, it doesn't lah, of course, because it's dehydrated, right? Okay. Oh, there we go. Right, you can see that it is still okay. It maintains that menacingly red color. It is not as spicy as the 2 times, okay? And what happened is, I think it is almost at the same level as the, you know, the normal, the usual Samyang noodle, the one, the black packet one, all right? Not like the nuclear. But one thing good is that you get to taste, you know, the chicken flavor. It's supposed to be hot chicken flavor ramen. So you get to taste the hot chicken, no, the chicken flavor there, which I think is nice lah. Right, we're almost there. I think I've already finished like about what? Maybe 1.5 packet already. So about another 1.5 more to go. This is really, I think this is quite nice, you know. For those of you who may not be into the extremely spicy ones, all right, you can give this one a try. Hopefully you all have already watched the collaboration video from last week, all right, where we did the 2 times spicy noodle, but instead of making it 2 times, we made it 4 times, all right. If you have not watched that yet, you can click up here, okay, and you will notice that the collaboration between me and Brother Bara, all right, that is actually something that is wonderful across the globe. Here we go, let's continue. So I guess if you're gonna be eating this, all right, don't become like me. Put it aside for a while, and then, you know, it gets a bit dried up. You know, sometimes what I will do is that I will leave a bit of the water that you boil the noodles in, all right, to make it a bit more wet. My mouth getting a bit dry. Any water? No water. Never mind. We will bear with it. All right, we will push on. Almost there, almost there. Yeah, the noodles, yes, it is springy. Alright, something that I actually like when it comes to instant noodle. I hate the instant noodle where, you know, the noodles become very soggy, alright, and it feels like as if you're eating flour. So this is a lot more something that I love in terms of the noodle texture. Alright, reaching the last stretch now. You can see just a little bit more. There we go. All done. Right. Let me finish up first. So, the Buldak Topokki hot chicken flavor ramen. What's my verdict? I think it is nice in terms of the texture of the noodle, okay? And then even though it says topokki there, all right, I believe that the topokki is referring to the texture of the noodles, all right, which is springy, okay, chewy, and you know the taste is very standard Samyang flavor. So those of you who are already very used to eating Samyang, alright, the taste is something that you will be very familiar with. It is not like leaning towards how the tteokbokki sauce actually tastes, alright, but it's more the Samyang standard, okay? And spiciness, spicy level is okay. I wouldn't say that it's extremely spicy, alright? It is there. You will feel the kick, alright? You'll feel the burn, alright, and you can still taste the chicken flavor. It is not like as if, you know, when you eat, the chili take over, the spiciness take over, and then after that, no chicken flavor. Okay, good. So give it a try. I liked it because what happened is that I like the texture. At the same time, I like the flavor. All right, it's not like extremely spicy. All right, good. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The links are all in the description below. And don't forget one last thing. Don't forget to subscribe. Click it. See you. Bye.